Hello people, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to talk about how to make your category page more attractive. So we are taking the help of the web store named as fuginvapor.com, and let me quickly tell you that how or what is the importance of making the changes or personalizing your category page. So let's say for an example, I go to e-liquids and I will be selecting the option over here which is all e-liquids, which means I have selected one category of this website and the category is e-liquids. Yeah, so there are lots of options over here. As you can see, like there are 5 pages, and in all these 5 pages there are a lot of products. Almost 58 pages are over here in which there are a lot of products. However, it will become very difficult for the customer if he or she want to go through all the products and have to select something. Only if he has time, or if they want to see all the products, definitely it will be good. However, if they want to quickly buy something, in that case we can offer them the products which are best as per us, because according to the customers we are the experts, right? So we can show them the best products which are available in this particular category of e-liquids. And how you can do it? By adding best selling in this collection widget. Also, you can add one more widget which is trending now. So let me tell you what will be there in this best selling collection. In this best selling collection, all the products which have been sold maximum or which are generating maximum revenue for the business, which means that customers are liking these products more than others. So all these products would automatically be highlighted. Also, trending products means all those products which have been purchased or browsed more than 3 times in past 7 days. So in this category of e-liquids, this all are the products which have been purchased or browsed more than 3 times in the past week. So you can add this both widgets to your web store, and let me quickly tell you that how you can add it on the web store. So as soon as you click on this category tag, on the category tag you will see the options of best seller and trending products. You just need to click on this right corner, which is a green button of status. As soon as this status button turns green, which means your widget is active. So please add this widget to your store and make it more personalized and make your user experience better. So thank you very much for watching the video. If there is any question in the future you can always give us a call on the numbers given in the screen, and you can also send us an email at info@retailreco.com. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.